Want to start betting on football but don't want to lose your money making risky predictions, right? You are not alone. Most beginners jump straight into crazy accumulators and high odds bets, and that's exactly why they lose. In today's video, I'm going to show you the safest football bets for beginners. Simple bets that are easier to understand and give you a better chance of winning consistently. So let's get started. So, first thing first, before I even go about listing the safest bets for you as a beginner, it is good you understand that there is no such thing as guaranteed bet. Every football match can produce surprises. I'm sure we all know that. The goal isn't to win every day, but the goal is to make smart decisions and reduce your risks as much as possible. The first safest bet for you as a beginner is the double chance bet. Double chance bet. The first and safest bet for beginners is the double chance bet. Instead of predicting one outcome, you are covering two of the three possible results. We know the three basic possible results in a football game is either the home team wins, the away team wins, or the match ends in a draw. So here you are backing two out of three possible results. Like for example, home team or draw, away team or draw, home team or away team. So this simply means that either the home team wins or away team wins. So a draw game normally will roast your bet. So why do I prefer this for you as a beginner? This gives you a much higher chance of winning because you have two possible outcomes working in your favor for unpredictable matches. So if a game is tight, you can go for any team to win as long as you are sure that the game might not end in a draw. So that is it for the first point. The second best option I'm going to mention in this video is the draw no bet option. Here is how it works. If your team wins, you definitely win. If the match ends in a draw, you simply get your money back, so you still don't lose anything. The only way you can lose if your team ends up losing the game. So why is this option perfect? This is perfect when you're actually confident a team is better, but still a little bit worried about a draw game. So if this is you, you can definitely go with a draw no bet option. So this is a second best option for you as a beginner. Option 3 is over 1.5 goals option. This is definitely one of the most popular beginner friendly bets. You are simply betting that there will be at least two goals in the match, and this is obviously likely to happen because the main target of a football game is scoring goals. The score could end in a 1-1 draw, 2 not in favor of the home or away team, 3-1, or any score that sums up to two or more goals. As long as two or more goals are scored, you win. So that is the basic principle. As long as two or more goals are scored, then you definitely win your bet. Many football matches end with at least two goals, making this one of the safer betting options you can consider if you are still getting started. Another beginner friendly bet that comes in at option 4 is the under 4.5 goals option. This simply means that the match must have 4 goals or fewer. So the match should end in less than 4 goals. Examples that win include 1 not in favor of the home or away team, 2 goals to 1, a 2-2 draw, or 3 goals to 0. So these are the winning options. Since most football matches don't have 5 or more goals, it is difficult to see a football game featuring 5 or more goals. This can be relatively safer market for beginners, but the only disadvantage with this option is the fact that it got minimal odds like 1.15, 1.10, or you can find odds like 1.20 at most for the best proposing games. So if you need an odd of 3 in total, you might need to accumulate like 6 or 7 games. Yeah, 6 or 7 games. Do not mind the number of games because this is very much possible to still go through your bet slip. So consider this under 4.5 goals option as your betting option. The last but not the least option is team to score over 0.5 goals. Another simple option is betting on strong team to score at least 1 goal. That is 1 goal. You can still bet on the weak team to score 1 goal if you are sure the weak team can score at least once. If a top team is playing against a weaker opponent, this can often be a safer choice than betting on the exact match winner, which at times might turn out the opposite direction. If you are often in search of value, if you are in search of value bet, this option can be very lucrative for you because at times when a strong team is playing against a weak team, you can see the weak team over 0.5 goals might have an odd of 2, and which is very much possible because there are a lot of upset in football all these days. So at times go for the value bet in this option. If you see a weaker team playing a strong team and you have done your analysis properly, you have seen the weaker team scoring the high profile clubs several times, then go for the weaker team to score and cash out as soon as possible. So here are my 5 safe bets to consider as a beginner. Keep things simple. The safest football bets to start with are the double chance option, the draw no bet, over 1.5 goals, under 4.5 goals, team to score over 0.5 goals. Remember, these bets won't make you rich overnight, yes, but they can help you learn the game while reducing unnecessary risks. So now that we have come to the end of our video, let me know in the comment section which of these betting options do you use the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more football betting tips and strategies. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.